CBS 19 is a proud partner of the Caldwell Zoo. Well, you've probably heard of a skunk before, but have you ever heard of a skink? I recently got a chance to meet one of the friendliest skinks at the Caldwell Zoo. Take a look. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a skink. I'm here at the Caldwell Zoo with James Henry, keeper of reptiles, and we are joined by Miss Galena here. Can you tell me, what is Miss Galena?
She is a blue-tongued skink.
Okay, what exactly is a skink?
It's a group of reptiles, so they'll have long, slender bodies like this, short little legs, kind of tougher scales than some other lizards.
And you said blue tongues? Why does she have a blue tongue?
So she uses it as a defense, so it'll brighten up under stress, and she'll use it and stick it out towards predators to scare them, thinking she's either poisonous or venomous.
So I've been seeing her flick her tongue out here just while we've been chatting, and it's not super blue, so I'm assuming she's a little bit more relaxed right now?
Yeah, she's just kind of relaxed, chilling on my arm. She's not stressed out.
In addition to flashing their bright blue tongue at predators in the wild, what are some other defense mechanisms that they have?
If you notice, she has very short legs, so she can kind of mimic snakes, and a lot of birds and things don't want to mess with a snake. She also has what's called a third eye, like a lot of other lizards. It's light sensitive, so she can't see with it, but she can detect light or shadow. So if a bird's flying over her, she can see that shadow before she sees the bird.
Very interesting. And in the wild, where do blue-tongued skinks usually live?
She's from Australia. You would find them in scrubland, desert areas, and even into forests. They burrow down and live in the ground. And
now, remind me, reptiles usually lay eggs, correct? Does she do that as well?
That is correct. Some reptiles, including her, will actually incubate the eggs inside their bodies. So her eggs, she can have up to 10, will stay in her body until they hatch, and then the live young will come out that way.
And what do they usually eat in the wild?
They are omnivorous. They will eat snails, different insects, vegetables, leafy greens, things like that.
And what about Miss Galena here? What's her favorite thing to eat?
Her favorite thing are snails. She gets pretty large snails for her, and she definitely goes crazy for them.
I'm sure that she loves them. Now, are skinks toxic or venomous or poisonous in any way?
They are not. They have no venom glands or anything like that, and they're not toxic if an animal were to eat them.
Can I say hi to her?
Yeah.
Hi, Miss Galena. Oh, I just saw the tongue flash. Look at her go. Isn't she so sweet? So if people want to come down to the Caldwell Zoo and meet her, what is the best way for them to do that?
She is one of our education animals, so you would only see her if you enroll in one of the educational programs.
Well, exciting. Hopefully you guys get to do that and come meet Galena here. She is certainly a sweetheart. Well, she was just the sweetest little skink to meet.
Yeah, I was today years old when I found out what a skink was.
Exactly. And she looked pretty calm, chill.
She was. I wish that I had her level of calmness.
Yeah.
But she was so friendly, and I had never heard of a skink before I met her. And what was crazy was right before meeting her, I actually met the skunks.
Yeah.
So,
you know. Skunks and the skinks.
Just one letter different.
You did say something interesting about the color of the tongue and their moods. Could you tell them?
So what I learned is that the brighter blue their tongue is, the more stressed they are. So if you saw that her tongue really wasn't that bright blue, it's because she was just kind of cool and calm and
you brought
really
out the
not that
calmness
stressed.
in her, the
I
zen.
was doing my best. I think that she was doing more zen for me than I was for her. But
I love it. All right, we'll see you guys after the break with more news and weather.